Good day everyone. In today's video we're going to look at one of the items that I managed to win from an auction. It's definitely going to improve my airbrushing experience and just modeling, painting overall. I do a little bit of soldering too, so that's going to help with soldering. So again, this is my first auction that I ever participated in. I managed to win. Spent $80. I believe the normal going price for this item is $130. Pretty happy with this item as it only costed me $80 and it serves multiple purposes for me. First of all, I had a problem where I didn't have good lighting when displaying any of my finished projects, and it just didn't look good in the videos. So it comes equipped with pretty powerful LEDs, and my biggest complaint really is the noise. It is pretty loud when you turn it on, but when you're dealing with soldering and airbrushing, you don't want any fumes, particles polluting your workspace. You want to take them out. So yeah, that is really the only downside. It's pretty loud. All right, so let's go back to the assembly. They do give you 6 foot of hose, pretty flexible, and my table is right beside the window, so it's pretty convenient for me. They do also provide you with multiple filters that you can wash and replace. One of the favorite things from this purchase was the black rotating base that they give you, that comes with the unit when you buy it. It's good for setting your models, and when you're spray painting, when you're airbrushing, you're able to rotate your object without touching it. So that's a very neat base. I really like it. So based on what you're seeing so far, what do you think? Is $80 a valid price point for an item like this? You see, I could have made something like this myself. I do have some extraction fans, and I do have a bunch of LED lighting. It just would have taken a little bit of time. You tell me what you think about the sound, because to me it's a little bit too loud. Now, the other favorite part about this product is the LED lighting. As I mentioned, it truly illuminates your models, and lighting is a big part of video making. To deliver good content, I believe this will be a key in my future videos for making successful and quality video. And for those who do want to see and potentially purchase this product, I will link the product down in the description so you can have a look for yourself. Alrighty, till next time.